In this video, we are going to demonstrate the process of viewing someone's Instagram story without them being alerted. So let's jump right into the steps. Before we start, it's crucial to mention that this technique is applicable across all platforms and devices, including mobile phones and computers. However, keep in mind that this method only works for public profiles. For private Instagram accounts, this approach won't be effective. Here's what you need to do. Start by finding the username of the Instagram profile whose story you want to view. Exit the Instagram app and launch a web browser. Feel free to use any preferred browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or anything else. Type StorySaver into the search bar of your chosen browser. Look for the website named storysaver.net. You can directly enter the URL of the website or search for it using Google. Once you're on the website, input the Instagram username of the account whose story you intend to view. Click on the Download button. Sometimes, you might need to complete a CAPTCHA to verify that you're not a robot. After successfully passing the CAPTCHA, the website will verify and display the story if it's available. Scroll down to see the story posts. If you want, you can also save the story image to your device. Once you've viewed the story, you can return to the Instagram app. Inspect the activity related to the story you viewed. You'll notice that your own account is listed as a viewer of the story. The beauty of this method is that the person whose story you viewed won't receive any notification. To them, it will appear as a regular view. By following this method, your viewing activity will stay incognito. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks.